Okay, so welcome to Bombala Math. Today we're going to do distributive property with variables. And I have 4 problems. Should be enough to get a pretty good idea of the concept. And you can see that they work through increasing difficulty level, where 1 and 2 are pretty similar, and 3 and 4 are similar. Okay, so let's take a look at number 1. And remember that when you have a number in front of parentheses, that means multiplication. So we're going to multiply 3 times whatever's inside the parentheses here, which is 5x minus 7. So we need to distribute that 3 to those 2 terms. So we're going to multiply 3 times 5x, and that's going to give us 15x. Then we're going to multiply 3 times the minus 7, which is minus 21. And that is it for number 1. So 3 times 5x minus 7 is 15x minus 21. Now when you look at number 2, it's very similar except we have 2 variables. We have x and a y. But the concept is still the same. We're going to multiply 2x times whatever's inside here, which is 4xy, and then times y. So 2x times 4xy. So 2 times 4 is 8. X times x is x squared. And then we still have the y. Then we're going to multiply 2x times y, which is simply 2xy. And that problem's done. When we get to 3 and 4, we have 2 sets of parentheses, which just means it's going to be a little longer. We have more terms to simplify. Also, take a look at the signs here. We're going to distribute with a minus, which is going to change the signs from within the parentheses here when you're multiplying. A lot of students make mistakes when they have the minus in front when they're distributing. They don't distribute the minus sign, so then they wind up with a mistake with their signs. So let's start here. So we got 4 times 1, which is 4, and then 4 times 2x, which is 8x. Now we're going to multiply. Second one, remember it's the minus 2x. We're going to distribute that into both terms. So this is going to be minus 2x times a positive 9 is minus 18x. And then negative 2x times minus 3x is plus 6x squared. Now because we were doing distributive property with 2 sets of parentheses, it's highly likely we're going to have to combine like terms, which we do. Here we have a positive 8x and a minus 18x. Also, if you look, this 6x squared is listed towards the back. Typically in standard form, we like to put the variable with the largest exponent in the front. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. So that's going to be 6x squared. I'm going to just cross that out. Don't scribble out. Just do a little line. So if you have to go back and check your work, you can still read what's here, but at least you know you used it. There's nothing extra there. You didn't miss anything. And then 8x minus 18x is minus 10x. And again, I'm just going to do a line, cross those out. I use that. And then I have the 4. So plus 4. So again, the point of crossing out over here is to make sure that you combine the like terms you used every term so nothing is missing. You don't lose anything. All right, down here, again, looks just like number 3, except the leading coefficient term here is a minus 5x. So we're going to distribute with a negative sign, a number again, which means that the signs are going to change. So negative 5x times minus 6x is positive 30x squared. And then minus 5x minus 3 is plus 15x. Now we go over here. This is a plus 2, so we don't have to worry about the signs changing. So we're going to multiply 2 times 7, which is 14, and then 2 times minus 2x, which is minus 4x. So now we want to look for like terms, which we have a 15x here and a minus 4x. This is already in front, so we're already starting to be in standard form. 15x minus 4x is plus 11x. I forget to cross those out, so that, and then we have the plus 14. Okay, so that is distributive property with variables. Hopefully you enjoyed this lesson, and there'll be more to come. And you can just check that out at my YouTube channel on Bombala Math. And like my first period students used to say, make smart choices. See you next time.